Dear friends, welcome to Culinary Hub. Thanks for joining us today for another exciting recipe, Mutton Do Pyaza. If you like mutton and onions, then this is the recipe perfect for you. Please check the description section for the details about the ingredients and subscribe to our channel for more such interesting recipes. First, I'll be quartering the onions and separating the layers. I have taken 2 large onions for this. And once the onions are separated, I'll grind the ginger and garlic paste. I have taken 2 medium-sized tomato and 1 large onion, which I will grind it. When it's time for the cooking, I'll heat up a pot, add a little amount of cooking oil to it, and saute the quartered onions first. I just want the onions to be crunchy, so I'll saute it for few minutes, and then I'll add green chillies. So in all, I have sauteed the onions for 4 minutes along with the green chillies. It is time to remove it and keep it separately. Then I'll begin coarsely grinding the onion and the tomatoes, and I will continue frying the garam masalas, whole spices, in the same pot in which I sauteed the onions. Once the masalas releases the fragrance, I'll add the coarsely grinded onions to it and saute till it is light brown. Then I'll add the ground ginger and garlic paste, followed by adding red chilli powder, coriander seed powder, turmeric powder and cumin seed powder, garam masala powder and a little pepper powder. Then in goes the coarsely ground tomatoes, and I'll fry this on a low flame. Then I will add the mutton pieces to it, season it with salt. Then I'll put the lid on and cook it on the low flame so that the mutton releases enough water. After 10 minutes, the mutton and the masalas has released enough water. I'll be adding around a cup of water, putting the lid on and cook till the mutton turns out soft and flavorful. Then it will be the time to add the sauteed onion and the green chilies and cook for 5 minutes. The dish will be ready for serving. Mutton Do Pyaza can be enjoyed with flavoured rice and any flat bread. Top up the dish with coriander leaves and mint leaves, and it is ready for serving. Please click the like button for this recipe, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notifications whenever we post new videos.